Hi boys and girls, I am Lily and today I will show you how to make yarn wrapped tulips. What we need for this project is yarn of different colors, cardboard, craft popsicle sticks, glue, and scissors. Cut pieces of cardboard into shapes of tulips with a rounded bottom and 3 points at the top, and cut lengths of strings. Now have children wrap the string around the tulips many times so the yarn is overlapping itself and gives the tulip color. We are going to glue the end of the yarn, and at the same time we're going to glue the popsicle stick. Like this. And the next one. Now the other one. And we're going to let it dry. Yay! Tulips are ready! Thank you for watching.